when you're making any project with PVC pipe, there's a couple of little handy tips that make things easier. Like, I want to screw this motor on here at the moment to the PVC. Now I can drill the hole and that's easy too. So if you've got a drill, of course, just drill a hole for a pilot hole. But a piece of wire, heat up a piece of wire, and because sometimes this might be quicker or easier or something. Heat up a little piece of wire and then you can just poke it through where you want your hole. There we go. Through. Right. So it obviously was a little bit harder to do that when I was trying to hold a camera in one hand as well and that, but that's one little tip with working with PVC. Another thing is when you cut PVC pipe, cut it with a hacksaw. A hacksaw works really good to cut PVC pipe, but it leaves daggy edges, and when you get your daggy edges, you just get a Stanley knife, and I'll just show you on this piece of pipe here. Right, I'll just move that out of the way. So if I just cut this off, I'd have all of these furry bits along here, and you just run along with a Stanley knife like that, and see, it just scrapes the edge off and papers it nice and smooth for connecting it in, because you don't want daggy bits, particularly on the inside, that might affect the flow or that of your water or block up filters later on if they come off. So that's how you tidy it up, just easy. Now they actually make a special PVC pipe tool to do the job, but a Stanley knife works just as good on the side of the blade and that. Just be careful you don't cut yourself, obviously. Yeah, I don't know whether I can. When you do cut, one of the things that people don't realise when they cut through a pipe, if you're cutting through here, lift it up a little bit, so then as you cut, this side goes down a little bit, because it'll make more space for your blade to go through and stop it heating up on the plastic. A lot of people try and hold both sides, but if you're holding both sides together, then you jam your blade and makes it really hard. So just let the other side fall down, or even jack it up a little bit so then it falls as you're cutting, right? And that'll make it easier to get through. So anyway, and that's true also, like when you use a Stanley knife to cut a normal bit of hose or something. So many times I've seen people cutting hose, and I'll just show you on this piece of hose what I mean. Like I've got this piece of hose here. Now if I try and cut into that and that, other than the fact that it's moving around a little bit, but the blade jams in there, right? But if I bend that hose up this way, so then as I cut, the pipe opens up. Yeah, of course I can't hold it at the same time, but see how that's opening up, right? See how easy that cuts through that then, right? Yeah, it's of course you need 8 hands to make YouTube videos, but that's how easy it is to cut if you bend the pipe the opposite way to the way you're cutting, and then if you bend it away like that, it just opens up as you're cutting, stops the rubber jamming on the blade, because rubber's good at creating friction. That's why we use it to make tyres. But like I've seen lots of people, even on YouTube, they're cutting pipes and they're struggling and the pipe's going everywhere. But if you just put a little bend in it, makes it so easy to slice through. Right. So anyway, I hope that helps somebody. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all of those things. And I'm just about finished on this project. This is my evaporative cooler air conditioner project that I'm building. And so when it's all done, I'll let you know how it works.